part of the problem with all these generative AI tools is so many companies are rushing to get on the bandwagon that nobody actually spends the time to build a decent product that doesn't have bugs. Now, I understand that the whole philosophy these days is release fast and iterate often, but there are so many products on the market, generative AI products, that are just crap. They're all crap. I've been writing about these products now for 2 years. I've been hired to write about them, and I get to test them all. Every single product that I test, and I mean every single one, and I've tested like, I don't know how many of them I've tested. I've tested AI website generators, all the major chatbot tools, coding tools. They all suck. A lot of them are backed by, ChatGPT or Claude, and the underlying language models are not particularly flawed any more than what we already know about their relentless problem with hallucination. That's not the problem. They're all API driven, so they've got a ChatGPT or Claude or whatever else API in the back, and someone has slapped together a service on top of it. And it's so easy to do that, and nobody's taken the time to develop a real product that really works, okay? And they're also trying to develop these products so rapidly. The hallucination thing is not gonna go away, man. It is not gonna go away. It is a problem. It is a massive problem. You cannot write reliable code with a tool that freaking hallucinates, man. You cannot do it. What I think is eventually gonna happen, there's so much crap being produced, and a lot of that crap is failing to provide a USP. For example, there was, I don't know which one came first. I don't know if it was Windsurf or the other generative AI coding tool or vibe coding or whatever the hell you call it, which OpenAI bought. I don't know which one came first. They were both forks of Visual Studio Code. They both look exactly the same. You start using one, you start using the other, and you're like, what's the difference? At first glance, you don't know what the difference is, because essentially they both do the same thing. They generate a bunch of code. If you're a developer, you realize they make a lot of mistakes. When it was the first one out of the gate, everybody starts using it. 2 weeks later, you got another product that does the same thing. It's crazy to release so many products that are so easy to release. Somebody needs to take a step back, stop trying to desperately fall all over each other, get into this freaking Gen AI bandwagon, and actually produce something that works.